Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to order, buy, and ship on Joyabuy. So the very first thing that you should do is you have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out joyabuy.com and you'd be directed to this page. So before searching for a product, just click on this icon right here at the top right, and then we have to log in or sign up for an account. So to do that, you just have to simply click on the sign up button right here or continue with Google. After that, just have to select your Google account and click on continue. And then just wait for a couple of seconds and you'd be directed to the section. So you already have your Joyabuy account. So you'd be able to see here the different voucher or coupon that you can use once you order a product using Joyabuy. Like for example, this one right here. So you just have to copy the code, and once you make an order, you just have to paste the code. Now let's go to the home page. So right here, we just have to paste the product link or type out the name or even the shop link. So we are going to start by typing out a specific title or a product name. So for example, we are looking for a chair or any kind of products. You just have to type out and click on enter, and then you'd be able to see here now the different result. So you just have to select the product that you want to buy. So for example, this one, so you just click on it and you'd be able to see here now the full details of the product. So you have here the name of the product, the variation. So all you have to do here now is to select the variation or the color and then type out the quantity, and then you can leave here a special message or special instruction to Joyabuy. Okay, so right here just have to read this one. So the displayed products are from third-party platform, and Joyabuy only provides information, search, purchasing, delivery services. So of course you just have to agree to this condition. And then after that, after reading this condition, just click on this box right here, check that you have agreed, and then click on buy now or add to cart. Next is you have here now the details of your purchase. So you have here the product information. So you just have to check everything, and then if you're sure to buy this product, all you have to do is to check this box right here that you have read and agree to the terms and condition. And then once you're done, just click on proceed and check out. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds after that, and you'd be able to see here now the different payment methods. So you just have to select your payment method, and then after selecting your payment method, you just have to simply click on the pay for order option. Now let's go back to our home page and then try to paste here a product link. So let's try to find products from different platform, for example Timo. So let me just find here a product that we can use. So for example, this one. Just have to click on the product and click on the share option at the top and click on copy link, and then go back to Joyabuy and then paste it right here. Now just click on the search option, and then here just have to paste the product details, of course the product link, and then the name of the product. So let's go back to Timo and then copy the name of the product. That's right. Just copy this one and then go back right here, and then you just have to paste. And then if you have here specifications, you just have to type it out right here, upload the photo, and then the other details of the product. So we have the fee, the quantity, and then the domestic shipping. And then make sure to check this box right here and click on buy now or add to cart. So basically, Joyabuy will help you to assist the product selection, consolidating the items in the warehouse, conducting quality checks, and arranging the global shipping. They also offer features like image search and registration coupons to enhance the shopping experience. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.